Because it's part of what we were telling the government that the international community that country is nasty, where you don't have freedom. Mo ton pe ni freedom ni. Freedom is not pé obu government or agbe. No. Mo yẹn wọ́n ton ṣépè fún Donald Trump lójoojúmọ́ ni. Nbo la wo ráyè yẹn. Òun fight pé ṣé ẹ máa ṣépè, but òun máa ṣe the right thing. Mo yẹn mélòó tó ń bú Boris Johnson lójoojúmọ́ ni. Ẹ máa bú Buhari nìkan, àwọn èèyàn ọlọ́pàá máa lọ gbé ẹ ẹ̀dẹ̀pẹ̀ yẹn nílùú ìlú nìyẹn. I'm a beef you up with confidence. That is what you guys need at home now. Pé òun sọ̀rọ̀ Odùduwà is nothing to be scared of. This is part of what we have prepared for you. Let me just show you some of what I have laid down here. But I need that music to be going because, you know, when I'm talking like this, I want something going underneath as well. Bear with me, guys. We will do you that you have confidence. Onímọ̀gbà tó máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ṣe live Facebook wọ́n lè gbé ẹsẹ̀ fún sọ̀rọ̀. It is your right to say that you don't want to be part of Nigeria anymore. Yes, you are still inside it, but you are saying that you are doing a movement to come out of it peacefully. We are not telling anybody to go and damage anything. We are not telling anybody to go and kill anybody. But we are telling people to have confidence. Ẹ máa ní confidence lára yín, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà nílé là ń sọ. Don't think because we are outside, that's why we have the confidence. It's because we know what the international community asks for. Tó bá ti lè mọ̀ yẹn, tó bá ti gbé ẹ, kódà wọ́n bá gbé lóru, wọ́n bá gbé láàárọ̀, wọ́n bá gbé lọ́sàn, èèyàn kan máa mọ̀. Àwa gan máa mọ̀ nígbà tá a bá gbóhùn ẹ mọ́. Imagine if you guys don't hear from me now, maybe for one reason or the other, but I was able to say to you, guys, I'm just taking a break. I'll be back in another 3 months. But I just disappear out of the radar. Bọ̀bọ̀ Koiki tó máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ lára ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn dà wọ́n wá ní British government gbé ọkọ̀ gbé bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn kí ló ṣe ó ṣẹ̀ ní ó pààyàn ni ibi tí wàhálà máa ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ nìyẹn. People will stand up from where you guys don't understand. You don't know the power of, look, you guys at home don't know the power of what you have. You are still scared because you think, yeah, we understand the situation is bad, but tó bá ti gbé ẹ ò di celebrate ọ̀sán gan nìyẹn wàláì tàláì. Ọlọ́pàá tó bá gbé yín àbí DSS, it's not about Sowore here that they pick up because people know Sowore. Let them pick you up. Pé òun sọ̀rọ̀ Odùduwà, they will not even do that. I can assure you that. Ẹ̀yin lẹ kàn bẹ̀rù. Ẹ̀yin lẹ ń bẹ̀rù. We are not asking you to go and kill anybody, damage anything, but be prepared that there is war coming. Ìyẹn ọ̀tọ̀ nìyẹn. But when you are talking about a movement, you can even, yeah, we don't want you to do protest for now. But you can still do that as well. Nothing can stop that. But for now, use your smartphone. Sit down in front of your house. Do what I am doing. They cannot knock on your door and stop that. I'm telling you that. Wait, they can stop that. I can see you all the way from Ore. I know where people are now. I won't mention the name. We have 6 people that we're going to credit. I won't give you the number online. But if you want to help them directly, where you can send, nobody will know who they are. Is either you can send an average of 1,000 naira. These are people that are already doing leg work as far as Akure and as far as Ekiti, Shekono and Mejejabi, and Ondo State, and one in Badagry. They are working. These are 6 new people. Every day we will know those that are working tirelessly, and we must continue to reimburse them. If you want to send that 1,000 naira, I say 1,000 minimum or 2,000, because sometimes they pay about 2,500 that gives them maybe 6 gig or something. But when you send the money, specify that that is for that purpose. It's 6 of them this morning, and we will continue to tell you that every day with different people. Because some of you will send message, we need data. I go and check you. I have not done anything. You are not doing any legwork. We are not interested in that. We are not doing freebies here. We want to break a country. That is what we are discussing here.